Oans, zwao, drei, Prost.
Beer and Pretzel Pendant with art clay silver. Draw a pattern design of beer and pretzel on copy paper. For the beer design, place the cooking sheet on paper pattern to trace the design with a pencil. Cut out a pattern design of beer mug part with 0.5 mm thick paper. Make a ball shape with art clay silver clay type 7 grams. Place it on a cooking sheet. Roll it out larger than pattern sheet using 1.5 mm plastic strips. Place the cooking sheet to face down the drawn side on the clay. Rub the paper with finger to transfer the pattern. Place 0.5 mm thick paper and press on the clay with a ruler to make a beer part for UV resin. Cut out the excess clay with a design craft knife. After drying, use a medium fine file, sponge sanding pad, sandpaper to reshape the design. Sand off the mug handle a little lower than other part for extra 3D effect. Cut 10 mm edge of green nozzle, and squash the edge. Attach it to art clay silver syringe type, and draw bubble design. Attach a fine silver flat screw eye while it is soft. Make a ball with art clay silver clay type 5 grams, and roll it into a rope shape. Place the rope clay on a pattern drew on a cooking sheet. Attach a fine silver flat screw eye while it is soft and dry. Put them in a hot kiln, and fire it for 5 minutes at 800 degrees Celsius. Protect the bubble part with a masking tape. Apply a stainless steel brush, burnisher, and polish with silver polish and cloth to make it a mirror finish. Take a small amount of UV Crystal Resin, add a few drops of UV color on an UV paper palette. Mix them until it becomes same one color. Apply the resin on the beer part with a toothpick. Cure the piece with UV light for 2-3 minutes. Attach your favorite chain to finish.